What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make stovetop steamed rice. Now before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So to measure my rice, I actually use this cup and I'm using a cup and a half. The first thing you want to do is wash your rice. I've washed it twice already and I'm going to wash it a third time. Washing it helps to remove some of the starch that's in it. Now the water is probably about half an inch above the rice. I'm going to add butter and salt. And one thing I want to add, when cooking the rice, you want to use medium heat because you don't want to turn it up too high or it's going to burn. Okay, so right now I have the heat on 6 and I'm going to lower it just a little bit more. And I'm going to cover it and allow the rice to steam. I want it to be a little bit softer than what it is right now, so I'm going to add a little bit more water. And add a piece of foil or a bag or something on top of it and then cover it again and allow it to steam. There you have it. Easy peasy.